Did you know there's one thing that you can do to increase your audience retention on older videos and future videos? Stick around because in this video, I'm going to share with you what that little secret is and how you can start doing that today. Hi, my name is Trina, and on this channel, I help online entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow your business. Because for me, growing my business, YouTube has been the essential platform that has been like my 24/7 sales team working for me, having these videos do all the heavy lifting for me. And one little secret that I learned about audience retention on your YouTube videos, which I've talked about is so important, is one of the ways to really start growing your YouTube channel is increasing your audience retention. One way you can start doing that is by adding captions to your YouTube videos. Yeah, that's right. All you have to do is add captions. So what you want to do is when you upload a video or you have a video, go into edit it and then go on over to add subtitles. Here you can go in and fill out the words that you're actually saying, or one of my favorite places to do this is to go to rev.com. They charge you $1 a minute per video. You can submit the link once your video goes live to rev.com, and they usually get that back to you within a few hours, or you can upload your video before it goes live so you have the captions added to your video before it goes live. One reason that I really like rev.com is because now you have this caption file. If you add your videos to Facebook, you already have the captions for Facebook, or you already have the captions for your blog post. You just go through the captions and, update a little bit of wording to how you might say it. So I really find this service valuable for me to pay $1 a minute. Since most of my videos are around 5 minutes, it costs me about $5. The reason why this increases audience retention is because some people watch without sound. We're either, sneaking videos at work that we don't want people to see. People just like to read what you're saying. Maybe you talk really fast, or maybe they're just trying to comprehend what you're saying by listening and reading. And you don't even want to forget about the deaf community too, that can't really watch your videos if you don't add the right captions. So this is one easy way you can start doing right now is just by adding captions to your videos to increase your audience retention. Now, if you want to learn a few more quick tips on how you can improve your YouTube channel today, make sure you click that playlist that's on your screen right now. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm posting Monday through Thursday tips and tricks on how to help you grow your YouTube channel for your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.